Okay, so let's continue. So before we sum up the prices of the different ingredients, so this is one question asked by Mr. Jerry Cornell. So nag-error ang iyahang pag-total niya, pag-sum up niya, kay butangan niya og P sign or peso sign. So to add a peso sign, so katong peso niya gamit 0 pira to siya. So dili siya recognized as a number. So to add a peso sign, so highlight the cells nga gusto niyong butangan sa peso sign. Then right click, format cells, currency. So there is that peso sign. So if you want it the dollar sign, a dollar, American dollar, Australian dollar, so you'll just use the peso sign. Okay. Okay, the next step is you're going to step number 2. So is we're going to sum up the total prices of each ingredient. Nawa akong copy.